Introduce features interest for ZUZZE 20-watt solar panel exhaust fan kit, IP65 waterproof solar-powered fan outdoor ventilator exhaust fan. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Exhaust fan 20 watt 16 volt solar panel with USB output port and 5.5-inch fan set. It can be used conveniently and quickly outdoors anytime, anywhere. To install, the USB cooling fan is powered by a solar panel. It is easy to install, just connect the interface of the solar panel and the fan and put it under the sun to use. The solar fan is equipped with a 2 meters extension cord, and you can install it wherever you want. All day the fan is equipped with a USB adapter, if you need the fan works at night. You can use a power bank and it can be used continuously day and night. The solar panel runs the fan fast under direct sunshine. The solar fan will working more slow or stops working when the sunshine is weak. Applications suitable for kitchens, greenhouses, pet houses, chicken coops, tree houses and more, to maintain a comfortable temperature level. Air circulation. This portable exhaust fan can effectively help you maintain indoor air circulation. Keeping the air clean can help you eliminate the odor of pets, tobacco and more. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.